This is your little Pinay and I'm back in my channel. For today's video, this is going to be a very quick introduction. It's because there's a lot of noise in the background. I can't make it any longer. And also, it's a very hot day today. I'm a little miserable right now. I'm all sweat. But so anyway, this video for today is going to be an update about my building grandparents' house here in the province, since a lot of you is asking about how is it all done, is it still ongoing. So this is going to be an update for all of you. I don't want you to wait any longer. Let's go and take a look. As you can see in the video, contractors are now working on the flooring for the second floor. They're making sure that the foundation is strong enough to lay the concrete floor. So, for that, I needed 14 pieces of veneers. Keep in mind to always buy the thick type of veneer because there are veneers that are easy to break once cement is poured. It will add up weight, and I'm pretty sure that we won't like to spend another money for that, so always be careful when buying materials. And now, they're getting ready to install a concrete slab flooring. And of course, you want to include a rebar grid to reinforce the tensile strength of that slab. That's why you have to estimate how much rebar you'll need for concrete slab flooring. For this, I needed 100 pieces 10mm steel bars, which cost me a total of 17,000 pesos for the concrete slab flooring. And while contractors doing the rebar layout, electrician is also setting up the pipes so that once the cement is poured, it will completely cover all the pipes and hide it when it's all dry. Pouring a concrete floor is hard work and it takes skill, strength, and tools. To be honest, I am so very lucky I picked the good contractor in our town. So far, I love all the work they have done and they're very skilled and fast. They take their time with the step and they always make sure they get it right. I spent 30 pieces sack of cement which cost me a total of 7,500 pesos. Concrete for slab or floor is commonly ready-mixed and delivered in large trucks. Ready-mix concrete is sold by the cubic yard. I spent 4 cubic of ready-mix, which is 2,800 pesos. Then it takes 3 to 4 more lightweight than a wooden roof, and it is obviously resistant to fire damage, insects, and mold. The only drawback of metal roofing is that it tends to be quite costly. However, when it comes to wood roof canopy, it is cheaper compared to metal, although the price for labor is the same, but still the price of metal is higher than the wood. But the process of installing metal canopy is long and tedious, as they are going to welding the canopy. So, for that, I spent $20,000 for all the wooden materials. And so guys, I am so grateful that the house is finally getting along and it's almost done. But to be honest, there's still a lot of things to get done for the house. But for me, at least now, it's getting along. It's already has its walls, and they're already start finishing the walls and inside and out. So yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I just hope that I will be able to get it done soon, and I can't really wait to give you an update when it's all done, when it's completely done. I'll give you a tour, or I'll probably go in live to show you the house. Guys, I know that a lot of you is wondering why it's very seldom for me to upload a video nowadays. It's because I am building a house, I am working, and a lot of things is going on in my life at this moment. But as soon as I'm done with the house and the things I need to get done here in the province, I will be able to upload more videos every week, and I have so much going on ahead of me that I still need to share to you in the future. So hang in there, and I'll have lots and lots of videos in the future for all of you guys. Sit back and relax because I'm working on it. So guys, I'm going to end my vlog here. I'm looking forward to give you more updates as soon as the house is done, and I'm going to see you on my next video. God bless, take care, and have a nice day. Bye.